Alright, get your passes, come on in. Alright.
We're going to be on number 4 for you, okay?
Number 4, bud.
Number 5.
Just be cautious, my friends, not to
Place
cross
those
the yellow
blue
line.
cards here at the top. My observer is going to be right back here on the spot.
Still work? Still work?
You're going to be up back here on the top.
Perfect. Excellent. Good, yeah, set those credentials to the tops of the table if you would, my friend. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Fantastic. How old are you?
16.
Oh, that's a great age. Past 13. I was 16 at your age. A long time ago. Welcome. Looking good, my young friend. Yes, just set those blue credentials all the way forward to the top of the table. That's perfect. Thank you. Oh, excellent. All right. Well, welcome to the workshop. I know, it's a lot to us. It's everything. Now, I know you met some of my fellow gatherers outside. In here, we have Beckamus, we have Kristen, we have Lauren, and of course, we have Taro. And you may call me Kembe. Now, to some of you, this may look like a lot of old junk, but let me assure you that some of it is new junk. We call ourselves the Gatherers. We search the galaxy for ancient relics in the forgotten places, abandoned outposts, battle-ravaged planets, and what we find we bring here, so where a stormtrooper might see worthless clutter, those who know see priceless history, and preserving our past may well ensure a future. How many of you have heard the legend of Luke Skywalker? All the way around, yes? Excellent, even the little one. Now we hear there is another, a new Jedi, one who started off as a scrapper like us. Would any of you know her name? Yes, Rey. And if you didn't know, I would be so sad. What Rey is leading right now is the spark of hope that we've been waiting for. That's why you're here to build a lightsaber. The lightsaber has been wielded by some of our galaxy's greatest heroes and darkest enemies. It is elegant and enigmatic. Building a lightsaber is a work of art. The saber is a reflection of its builder with the force flowing between them. Today, you will feel that connection. But not if I keep talking. Let's begin. We start with the most important part of the lightsaber, the Kyber crystal, able to focus the energy of the Force to magnify it. Some would call the Kyber crystal the heart of the lightsaber. The color of the crystal reveals the color of the blade. So you may recognize some of these from the great Jedi heroes of history. The blue crystal, wielded by the great master Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice Anakin Skywalker, and now, Rey. Green, Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, and Luke Skywalker. The violet crystal, rare and beautiful, like the crystal wielded by Mace Windu. Red. It has been called the color of power, the crystal of Darth Maul, the Sage Ventress, Darth Vader, and now Kylo Ren. But these are stories of the past, and we are here for you, the future. It's time for you to choose your Kyber crystal, the heart of your lightsaber. Builders, close your eyes. In your mind's eye, I want you to picture crystals of all the colors we've talked about. One of these shines brighter than all the others. Now open your eyes and choose your Kyber crystal. Excellent. Now take your kyber crystals and place them on the green crystal holders there in front of you. Because now it's time to join your crystal to the lightsaber design that you've selected. It's time to build the hilt of your lightsaber. This is the foundation of the blade. It is your center of control. And it's the part that keeps your hands from being disintegrated. In the box in front of you, you'll find all the parts you selected outside. These parts have come from across the stars to be here for you right now. And we will lead you through the process of building in a minute. But first, let's talk about what's in the box. Looking at it from the left, first you'll find your chassis. Columns 1 and 2 are your grips. Column 3 is emitters, 4 is pommel caps, and 5 are to match pairs of activation plates. Building a lightsaber is a personal journey, just as you chose your kyber crystal. Now you're going to choose each part that makes up your own unique saber. Look up at the gatherer in front of you. They will lead you through this. And so, let's build.
Welcome, travelers. My name is Kristen. I'll be building you guys today. First, we're going to start with the chassis. We want to make sure the lines that are right here are facing upwards. This is the top of the saber. Go ahead and grab that kyber crystal and insert it right here at the center. Now there's a pivot in the top and the bottom plate, and the top plate has a spring. With the points of your crystal resting straight up and down. There's no right or wrong way to do it, but it's the hardest part, so if you need help, let me know. Hold it up for me when you're done so I can check.
You got it? You need help? Oh, I saw it.
Yeah, I saw it. Jesse? Which number 5, you're going to choose either the top set or the bottom set. Inside there is a red square in one and a blue square in the other. And that's going to match up to the red and the blue square that's right here. So you're going to match the red to red and the blue to the blue. And they're going to snap together around the finger. Find the square side and match it up to the square that's right. So blue to blue. It has to go around the chamber. You're matching the square to the Can you test your activation?
I like that you struck an elemental village.
This will be your activation later, okay? You're going to move through to 1 and 2. But before you start choosing which ones, let me tell you a few things. Before, you're only going to choose 2. One will go at the top where the lines are, one will go at the bottom. There is a wider rim on one side that you're going to put towards the middle, and you're going to push and twist and tighten it in. You can choose any 2 of the 4. Okay? Pick your favorite 2 from these.
You twist it, you gotta screw it on.
If you want it at the top, you can go at the top. You can also go at the bottom. It doesn't matter. Alright? Okay, choose one of these 2 at the top. Twist it on the other way. the bottom.
No, I don't want it. I want it to be pointy.
It's not going to point the way you want it to. Alright, and if you're all done, I'll give you a final check, and I'm going to make sure everything's good to go. So when Kembe tells you to activate, slide the switch up. To deactivate, slide it down.
Gotta balance each other in the course.
Can they take you to activate? That's a
How about you, my friend?
Can they do
Good. And your power build. Yes, big. With a pilot crystal, it's really powerful. You'll be able to cut through things. You have your blaster builds? You'll be able to cut through blast shields with that thing. Impressive. Most impressive. Another beautiful power control. Nice elemental over there, my young friend. What color is your crystal?
Purple.
As Master Windu as well. He took an inspiration from nature for his fighting style called Papa, named for a hunting beast. Yes, it has lots of tentacles, and when it attacks, it wails on you with those tentacles. And so that's what he based his fighting style on. Powerful strokes to disorient the enemy. And it served him well. What color is your crystal, my birthday friend? Violet?
Red.
A red? Nicely done. Show you by your size. Everyone, take a moment. Breathe. Just breathe. You have built the hilt of your lightsaber. And nothing unexpected, nothing traumatic has happened. This is the dangerous part. Leave your sabers at your stations. Back up as far as you can, please. Right now, the gatherers are going to insert your hilts into the crystal stabilization chambers. We need to stabilize the crystal inside the saber for activation. This is actually quite dangerous. This should only be done by someone with a lot of training and expertise. And Todd. I believe in you, Todd.
Thank you. It won't happen again.
I don't even remember.
Maybe over here.
I'm going to send a test signal now through the chamber system. This should let us... What's happening?
With many parts you began, yes. With the heart of the saber they are joined, much more they will become. It is time.
It's Master Yoda. It is indeed time to take that next step. Builders, we have reached the final part of the process. The bond between Builder and Saber is about to be forged. In a moment, I will ask each of you to come forward, to place your hand on the hilt of your lightsaber, and then on my signal, using your activation switch. All together, we will activate. Come forward. Put your hand on your saber. Activate. Builders, raise your lightsabers. You have built a lightsaber. Like the Jedi and Sith who came before you. And like that, you too can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Please, deactivate your sabers.
Complete your lightsaber is. Choose your path it cannot, but light your way it can. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. Builders, in your hands you hold remarkable power. And remarkable power should never be dropped on the ground. So, In a moment, we will release you one party at a time to receive your saber sheath before you continue into the outpost. Now our time together is at an end, and your journey is only beginning. It's time for you to make your mark on the galaxy. Remember, you are each as unique and extraordinary as the lightsaber you have created. And maybe next time we'll be telling your story. Builders, raise your sabers. Activate! Now you, my friends, from here to here, go forth, receive your saber sheaths. May you journey well.